One of the videos was shot with a cinema camera, a boom mic, and 3 softboxes. The other one? Just me, my phone, and an AI tool doing the heavy lifting. Wild, right? Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through how to take any long video you've got, a podcast episode, a lecture, a live stream, whatever, and turn it into a steady stream of attention-grabbing short clips, scheduled and ready to post. No production studio required. I'm Arthur, this is my mobile vlogging corner, and now let's dive in. First up, why even bother turning long content into short clips? Short form is the oxygen of social platforms right now. People scroll fast. If you rely on one 40-minute video and hope someone watches the whole thing, you're leaving attention and growth on the table. The smart move is to let tech find the moments people actually care about, the laughs, the hot takes, the quotable lines, and repurpose them. That's where tools like Vizard come in. So step 1 in our repurposing workflow is choosing what to do with your long video. There are tons of AI platforms out there. Some focus on creating digital avatars, others are for editing or captions. If your core need is to repurpose long-form content into short clips and distribute them, you want a tool built for that pipeline, spotting the viral moments, trimming automatically, and letting you schedule and publish without doing each post manually. That's exactly the kind of stuff Vizard handles well. Quick note on those avatar platforms because you'll see them everywhere. They're amazing for talking head dubs, multi-language videos, and scripted copy. But they typically aren't designed to extract highlights from a 90-minute stream and churn out 30 micro videos a week. They're great for one-off narrated pieces or AI presenters. If your content strategy is volume, frequent short clips across platforms, their token pricing and single-purpose features can get expensive or clunky. Vizard isn't an avatar studio. It's a repurposing engine that works with your real footage and gives you distribution power. How does the tech work? In broad strokes, it's a mix of speech recognition, scene change detection, engagement heuristics, and a few creative rules. The AI listens to the audio, reads the transcript, flags high-energy moments, meme-worthy lines, and punchy takes. It finds the best in a long video and compiles them into short, post-ready clips. On top of that, it adds metadata, auto-generates captions, and can even help format the clip for different aspect ratios. Vertical for TikTok, Shorts, Square for Instagram, Landscape for YouTube previews. The end result? Clips that feel native to the platform without you having to manually hunt for them. All right, practical stuff. What do you need to record to get the best clips? You can absolutely use a smartphone. In fact, most creators start there. That said, better source footage equals better clips. Aim for a quiet room, stable camera, tripod, or phone clamp, and clear audio. If you have an external mic, use it. Even a basic lav mic will improve clarity dramatically. Look into soft, even lighting and a neutral-ish background so your face reads clearly on small mobile screens. Be natural on camera. Tell a story, drop an opinion, laugh, and pause naturally. Those tiny micro pauses are gold. They give the AI cleaner sentence boundaries and make the clip feel human. Also, speak in one language per recording if you can. It simplifies transcription and clip selection. If you're doing a live stream or podcast, don't stress about perfection. Vizard and similar editors are surprisingly forgiving and will still find the gems. Once you've got the long video, the next step is preparing it. Quick editing polish, removing long dead air, boosting audio, color correction helps, but it's optional. Tools like mobile video editors or desktop NLEs can help if you want to pre-clean. If you do use a noise reduction filter or a mild color grade, make sure it's consistent across the whole episode so the extracted clips look cohesive. Now the good part, upload and let the auto editor do its thing. With Vizard, you typically hit upload, pick the source video, and the AI analyzes it. It then surfaces a batch of suggested clips, usually dozens for a long episode. What's cool is you don't have to accept everything the AI spits out. You can review, tweak the in and out points, adjust captions, change the format, and even pick the emotional tone of the clip. Whether you want 6-second teasers, it's done. Want a 45-second mini lesson? That's also doable. Here are a few pro tips I picked up. Lower the playback speed a touch for longer monologues when you're editing. It makes it easier to spot the right cut points. Use the auto captions, but always skim them. AI captions are great, but not flawless, especially with names or niche terms. Keep a folder of your brand's preferred intro and outro overlays so every clip can be branded quickly. Let's compare that to other workflows. Some creators manually chop everything in editing software, export multiple versions, and use separate scheduling tools. That's work-heavy and not scalable. Others rely on token-based platforms that charge per minute or per render, and that adds up quickly. Vizard's edge is that it's an all-in-one repurposing pipeline. Auto-pick clips, batch edit, generate captions, and schedule posts. You set the rhythm. The tool does the tedious stuff. Which brings me to my favorite feature, auto schedule. Set how often you want posts to go out, daily, 3 times a week, whatever, and the tool cues the clips and publishes according to your calendar. You don't have to babysit every upload. This is a lifesaver if you're trying to grow cross-platform but don't have a full-time social manager. But scheduling alone isn't enough. You need oversight. That's where the content calendar comes in. Vizard's calendar lets you preview the week, rearrange posts, add notes, and tweak captions before anything goes live. It ends the chaos of random uploads and gives you a strategic cadence. Think of it as the brain that organizes the clips the auto editor spits out. Let's talk accessibility and polish. Subtitles and localization are key components here. Subtitles are non-negotiable if you want higher reach and engagement. Auto-generated captions are a starting point. Punch them up into clean SRT files or stylized captions for each platform. Vizard helps streamline this. Auto captions plus the ability to edit them in line. For multi-language audiences, you can pair Vizard with translation or avatar tools if you want to produce local language clips. But those avatar tools are better for scripted dubs than extracting spontaneous highlights. Let's talk about audio quality. You want to avoid that 1990s answering machine vibe. A clean, raw audio track makes the difference between a clip that feels premium and one that feels thrown together. Use noise reduction sparingly, normalize levels, and keep ambient sounds under control. If your source audio is decent, the AI can do wonders. If it's muddy, even the best editor will struggle. Here is some content strategy advice while we're at it. Pick topics that naturally produce clips like controversial takes, surprising facts, how-tos, and personal stories. Clips that hint at something bigger, you won't believe what happened next. Get clicks and drive viewers back to the long-form video. Also, batch your topics. Record several episodes on related themes, upload them, and let the AI generate a multi-week rollout. It's a low-effort way to build momentum. Here's a realistic heads-up about other tools. Some platforms are stellar at one job, but missing the rest. Synthesia and HeyGen are awesome for creating script-based AI presenters and translating content into other languages, but they don't replace a repurposing workflow. Classic editors let you do anything but require manual work and editing chops. Scheduling tools are great, but unless they integrate with an auto editor, you're still doing clip selection yourself. Vizard sits in that sweet spot. It's purpose-built to convert long-form into distributed short-form efficiently. Here are the last few quick walkthrough tips. Always export a high-res master of your long episode before you chop it. Keep the master safe. You'll want it if you need higher quality clips for a pinned post. Use consistent thumbnails or branded frames so your clips are recognizable in feeds. And don't forget to A/B test. Try different headlines and first frame hooks to see what clicks. The AI can optimize for reach, but your tweaks matter. If you want to experiment, start with one episode. Upload it, let the AI suggest clips, schedule a week's worth, and monitor engagement. You'll be surprised how much faster you can scale your channel once you stop treating every clip like a one-off project. Okay, that was a lot of information. In short, your long videos are treasure troves. With smart tools, you can auto-extract the best moments, polish them, and publish them on a schedule without burning a ton of time or money. Platforms focused on avatars or single-use edits have their place, but if your game is consistent content output and growth, a repurposing first tool like this is the kind of thing that actually changes the math. Try it on one video this week. You might spend an hour uploading and scheduling and then get weeks of content back. That's how creators scale. I'll be back with a deeper walkthrough on optimizing thumbnails and writing viral captions, so stick around. Catch you in the next one.